Hi bakers, good morning. Welcome to my kitchen. This is Chef Jude, and today's I'm going to make soft pretzels for you guys. So yeah, it's gonna be like sometimes like it's hard to get the right texture for the pretzels. So I'm gonna give you the secret for that. So for our ingredients for the pretzel, we need 625 grams of bread flour or all-purpose flour is fine. We need 7.5 grams of yeast. We need 32.5 of butter, 15 grams of maple syrup, 12.5 grams of salt. And then we need 312.5 grams of lukewarm water. Oh, it's more than enough. Just 312. Okay, if it's 12-13, it's fine. So right now, we're going to combine the yeast and the flour all together, and then we need to combine the egg, the butter, the maple syrup, and the salt all together. Almost ready now. Just keep it going. If you feel, guys, that I have an extra water, if you feel like it's super dry, so add an extra water. So let's ferment this for 15 minutes and do like a butter like that, and then ferment this for 15 minutes. So the dough is ready, the pretzel dough is ready. So I need to what's that? To weigh them like 160 grams per pretzel. I have here. So we need to divide the dough into like 160 per piece. So this is only how many? 100. I have here I'm gonna wet my hand with flour, do like this. So I'm gonna do the traditional what's that, pretzel. So like that. So I'm gonna stay there, cross your hand like you can do like that, and then do like that, and do like this, or you're gonna move this one facing here So like that. So you can do like that, and then you can do press here too, and then expand like that. Okay, so that's our pretzel. Okay. I've made a score. I'm gonna score it here. Okay, so let this rest here. Okay. Okay, this one and this one. Like that. Okay. So I've done all, how many pretzel I made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pretzel, guys. So yeah. So you can extend like that if you want like a bigger pretzel or wherever, you know, like this, see? If you want a big one, then it's up to you. Okay, there you go. Some of them are getting bigger now actually, guys. And then I'm gonna put this in the pan and then let it rest here for 20 minutes to 30 minutes, and then put in the fridge for another 30 to 40 minutes. It depends. You can touch the skin if the skin, like if the dough is forming a skin already, which means this is ready for baking. Okay. So I just pulled it out from the fridge. So I'm going to soak this in a lye solution and then bake it. That's it. So I have here 400 grams of water, and then I'm gonna get 40 grams of lye solution. I have the hot sodium hydroxide. Don't forget guys, there's some hot sodium hydroxide not for food. It says here food grade, so use this one. So we only need 40 grams. So we're gonna put this in the water and then make sure there's no contact guys. It's very strong, even from your nose too. So close right away. Okay, then put in the water and then dissolve this in the water. You need 41 degrees for this one. So I'm going now to put our pretzel here. Take some bath. Put some lye solution there. This is 41 degrees guys. 41 degrees Celsius. So that's the color. This one is kind of yellow. This one is kind of white because I didn't put the solution on that. So I only put the hot water. So you see the color between? It's the different color, right? So that's the reason why we have. So I have some chia seeds here, so I'm gonna put some chia seeds on some of our pretzel. Okay. So here we go guys, our pretzel is done. Yay, looks so good. So you look, this is a soft pretzel, right? You see the color looks good, the bottom looks good too. This is the one that I show you guys. I didn't put in the solution, so this is what's happened. Looks like this. So it looks very shiny and looks so good. You can see that, yeah. Okay, so we just let and wait until cool down, and then so this is our authentic pretzel, soft pretzel.